Welcome to UpTech CAD KM, Learning Center for Innovation. My name is Rohit. From today's video, I am starting a video tutorial series of AutoCAD. This tutorial series is based on exercise book of UpTech, which you have to download from our website. Download link is in the I button. So starting with UpTech exercise book, exercise number 1, 2D sketches. First of all, you have to set the limits of drawing, which is 0, tab 0, enter. For upper right corner, 200, tab 200, enter. In this fashion, we have set the limits of drawing. Next, select the command C, circle, enter, and specify center point of circle 0, tab 0, enter. Next, give the radius 42, enter. Next, again take circle command C, enter, and type 0, tab 0 for the center point of circle, and then give the radius of circle is 13. Next, I have already defined layer tool for center. Take it and then we'll draw a center line for circle by using line command. This is the vertical center line, and next horizontal center line. Next, take offset command O, enter, and specify offset distance 80, enter, and select center line and specify direction, then enter. Next, again offset command O, enter, and specify distance, offset distance of 40, and select center line and specify direction, and then enter. Next, again offset command O, enter, specify offset distance of 85, enter, and then select center line and direction, and then enter. Next, these center points are being located. Then select default line from layer toolbar. Then take circle command C, enter, and specify the center point and define radius of 8. Again take circle command C, enter, and specify the center point and define the diameter D, enter, 36, enter. Next, take circle command C, enter, define the center point and diameter is radius is 13. Next, again center C, circle, enter, and define diameter D, enter, of 52 diameter. Take tangent radius circle C, enter, TTR, enter. First point, second point, and then the radius is 96, enter. Next, take circle command, again repeat this, C, enter, TTR, enter, and specify the points and define the radius is 42. Next, use trim tool, TR, enter, for selecting all, then trim remaining which we don't want. Next, take line command L, enter, and define tangent line. Shift right click and select tangent option. Select the curve. Again shift right click, tangent, and select the curve. Again repeat L, enter, shift right click, tangent, shift right click tangent option, select the curve. Now again take trim tool, TR, enter and trim. Now change the layer to center layer. Again define a circle, C, enter and define the center point, and the radius is 30. Next, change your default line option from layer. Again take circle, C command, enter and specify center point. Diameter is 10, means radius is 5. Now take polar array and select the object and right click and specify center point and give instances, means items, item number 8, enter and exit for enter. In this fashion we have completed our first part. In second part we'll apply dimensions to this drawing. So friends, if you like this video, please do hit like button, and if you have any questions regarding, do leave your comments in the comment section below. I will try my level best to solve it, and do hit subscribe button, and I want to thank you all for watching. Bye bye, take care.